This is Nathan with Fresh Start Detailers, and today we're working on the 2023 Genesis GV80. So our full exterior ceramic coating is going to consist of multiple products. So we have our paint 3-year ceramic coating. This is going to be the Crystal SS. We have our glass ceramic, which is going to go on all the windows. Next, we have our Extreme, applied to all the wheel faces on the vehicle. That way it has ceramic protection. Next, we have our Revive, which goes on plastics. All of our coatings are registered to Carfax. After we do the initial panel wipe down, make sure that there's no contaminants, we're going to be moving to installing the ceramic coating. Each ceramic coating has its own cure time, and we'll be sure to have that information listed for you to look at. The windows could take about 2 minutes to cure versus 30 seconds. Extreme for the wheel faces, it has a different cure time, as well as the Revive for non-treated plastic. When the ceramic coating starts to harden, it could be 4 hours before the vehicle can be driven and up to 72 hours before it can be washed at a car wash.